Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to the exercise video for section 2 lesson 4, which is the mud letters, which is with alif sukun, waw sukun and ya sukun. And if you need a review of what that means, go watch the section 2 lesson 4 video. In today's exercise video, and before I begin, let me apologize, it's thunderstorming outside and I can't seem to be able to cancel the noise, so if you get a little bit of background noise, it's why it's thunderstorming in this area. So moving on, in today's lesson, I'm going to give you lots of examples on how to spell out, how to pronounce out the mud letters, which included the mad tabeei, which was alif sukun, waw sukun, and ya sukun. So first I'm going to go over examples of alif sukun, then I'm going to go examples of waw sukun, and then ya sukun. So let's get started. Now, most of the examples that I have listed in this exercise video are going to be on the self-test. So if you take this if you watch this exercise video, the self-test would be really easy for you. So let's begin. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. And maybe even more. Okay. I think that's perfect. There we go. So these are examples, mad tabe'i examples with alif sukun. So let's get started. Ha fatha alif sukun ha. Waw kasrawi. Hawi. Ya fatha ya. هاوية تا ضمتان تن هاوية. Next, فا فتحة ف لام فتحة ألف سكون لا فلا. Next we have شين فتحة ألف سكون شا نون كسراني شاني همزة فتحة أ شانئة كاف فتحة ك شانئك. Next we have ميم فتحة ألف سكون ما. That was a single syllable. Moving on. غين فتحة ألف سكون غا. سين كسرة سي غاسي. قاف كسرتان قن غاسق. Next we have همزة كسرة إي. ذال فتحة ألف سكون ذا إذا. Next we have لام فتحة لا. نون فتحة ألف سكون نا لنا. Next we have a multi-syllable word. It's kind of long, so I'll take it one at a time. با كسرة بي. حا كسرة حي بحي. جيم فتحة ألف سكون جا بحجا. را فتحة را بحجارة. تا كسرتان تن بحجارة. Next we have ميم فتحة ألف سكون ما. لام ضمة لو مالو. ها ضمة واو صغيرة هو ماله. Next we have حا فتحة ألف سكون حا. سين كسرة سي حاسي. دال كسرتان دن حاسد. Next we have ضا فتحة طا. عين فتحة ألف سكون عا ضاعا. ميم كسرة مي طعامي. Next we have نون فتحة ألف سكون نا. را فتحتان رن نارا. So this is nun fatha, this is alif sukun, this is ra fathatain, but this alif, remember, fathatain always after fathatain it's always followed by an alif, and this alif is not pronounced, so the pronunciation of this is nun fatha alif sukun na را فتحتان رن نارا. Next we have كاف فتحة ألف سكون كا نون فتحة نا كان. Next we have همزة فتحة أ با فتحة ألف سكون با أبا با كسرة يا سكون بي أبابي لام فتحة لا أبابيلا. So in this one we have an example of alif sukun combined with a ya sukun. So one more time. Hamza fatha a, ba fatha alif sukun ba, aba, ba kasra ya sukun bi, ababi, lam fatha la, ababila. Next we have ain fatha alif sukun a, ba kasra bi, عابي دال ضمتان دن عابد. Next we have لام كسرة لي سين فتحة ألف سكون سا لسا نون فتحة نن لسانا. Next we have لام فتحة لا يا فتحة ألف سكون يا لا يا لام كسرة لن ليال. Next we have خا فتحة ألف سكون خا ضا كسرة طي خاطي همزة فتحة أ خاطئة تا كسرة تن خاطئة. One more time. خاطئة. Next we have فا فتحة فا همزة فتحة ألف سكون آ فآ واو فتحة ألف صغيرة وا فآوا. Now in this one, if you remember in one of the previous lessons, is this a ya or an alif? Do you remember? It's an alif, but it's written like a ya. It's an alif what? Alif maqsura. And on top of it is an alif saghira. We don't pronounce the alif maqsura. This is a ya. This looks like a ya. It's written like a ya, but we pronounce it with the alif saghira. فآوى. Next we have را فتحة ألف سكون را ضا كسرة ضي راضي يا فتحة يا راضية تا فتحة تن راضية. Okay. that takes care of that. Moving on to the next example. If I can, doesn't seem to be scrolling. Let me see if I can't. Why won't it scroll? Ah, there we go. Much better. Next, we're going to move on to the mad tabe'i examples with waw sukun. These are somewhat more complicated, the longer words, so let's get into it. First one is Hamza fatha a, Ain dhamma waw sukun u, a'u, Zal dhamma dhu, a'udhu. Next we have Ya fatha ya, Ta dhamma waw sukun tu, yatu, Ba dhamma waw sukun bu, yatubu. Okay, if you remember one of our previous lessons, this is a what? An alif, but with a sifr on it. This, I believe, is called, and I have to ask this to my question, I believe this is called either a sifr al-mustadir or a sifr al-mustasil, but just remember this, whenever an alif has a 0 on it, 1 multiplied by 0 is what? 0. This alif gets cancelled out. You don't pronounce it. This is just written for grammar's sake, for the sake of, basically, it's a writing it's a writing script, thing. You don't pronounce this alif. Uh, it's just a method of writing. So the word is yatubu. Next we have صاد ضمة صو دال ضمة واو سكون دو صدو را كسراري صدوري. Next we have همزة فتحة ألف سكون ميم فتحة ما آمة نون ضمة واو سكون نو آمنوا. Another example of sifr on an alif with a zero on it. We don't pronounce it. Just a script. Just a script convention. We write it. We don't pronounce it. Next we have lam fatha la, kaf fatha ka, laka, nun dhamma waw sukun nu, lakanu, dal dhammatan dun, lakanudun. Next we have ya fatha ya, mim dhamma waw sukun mu, yamu, ta dhammatu, yamutu. Next we have ثا فتحة ثا ميم ضمة واو سكون مو ثمو دال فتحة دا ثمود. Next عين فتحة ألف صغيرة عا با كسرة بي عابي دال ضمة واو سكون دو عابدو نون فتحة نا عابدون. Next we have قاف ضمة قو عين ضمة واو سكون عو قعو دال ضمتان دن قعود. Next we have يا فتحة يا قاف ضمة واو سكون قو يقو لام ضمة لو يقول. Next we have فا فتحة فا تا فتحة تا فتا نون ضمة واو سكون نو فتنو. Next we have كاف فتحة كا فا فتحة فا كافا را ضمة واو سكون رو كفروا. Next we have يا فتحة يا كاف كسرة يا سكون كي يكي دال ضمة واو سكون دو يكيدو نون فتحة نا يكيدون. So in this case we have two mud letters. We have ya sukun and waw sukun. So it's yakiduna. So this kaf and then ya ki and then dal and then dhamma du. Yakiduna. Next we have shin dhamma shu, ha dhamma waw sukun hu, shuhu, dal dhammatan dun, shuhudun. Next we have waw dhamma wu, jim dhamma waw sukun ju, wuju, ha dhammatan hun, wujuhun. Next we have ta fatha ta, kaf dhamma waw sukun ku, taku, nun dhamma nu, takunu. Next we have kaf fatha alif sukun ka, Noon dhamma waw sukun nu. Kanu. So in this case we have two mud letters, kaf and then an alif sukun, then noon dhamma and then waw sukun. So alif sukun and waw sukun. So the word is kanu. Another word with two saghira, sorry, not saghira, but sukun letters here. Sin fatha alif sukun sa. Ha dhamma waw sukun hu. Sahu. Noon fathana. Sahuna. One more time. Sahuna. So we extend the sin with the fatha to two movements. Sa and then ha dhamma waw sukun hu. Sahu. Sahuna. Next we have jim dhamma waw sukun ju. Ain kasratan in. Ju'in. Next we have ya fatha ya. Kaf dhamma waw sukun ku. Yaku. Noon dhamma nu. Yakunu. Let's move on to the next page. And in this page we are going to do mad tabe'i examples with ya sukun. So let's get into this one. Ya fatha ya. Ta kasra ya sukun ti. Yati. Mim fathatan man. Yatiman. Fa kasra ya sukun fi. Sin kasra ya sukun si. Noon kasra ya sukun ni. Sini. Noon fathana. Sinina. So in this case we have two ya sukuns. So the sin is going to be extended, the sin kasra is going to be extended to 2, and this noon kasra is going to be extended to 2. Sinina. We did this example in alif sukun, and this is it's an example for a ya sukun as well. So let's do this again. Hamza fatha a. Ba fatha alif sukun ba. Aba. Ba kasra ya sukun bi. Ababi. Lam fatha la. Ababila. Next we have lam fatha la. Shin fatha sha. Lasha. Ha kasra ya sukun hi. La shahi. Dal dhammatan dun. La shahidun. Next we have ya dhamma yu. Ain kasra ya sukun i. Yu'i. Dal dhamma du. Yu'idu. Next we have hamza fatha a. Ba kasra ya sukun bi. Abi. Next we have jim kasra ya sukun ji. Dal kasra di. Jidi. Ha fatha alif sukun ha. Jidiha. So in this case, jim sukun is going to be extended two movements. I'm sorry, not jim sukun, jim's kasra. Jim maksura is going to be extended to two movements because of the ya sukun, and the ha fatha is going to be extended to two movements because of the alif sukun. So the word is jidiha. Jidiha. Ha fatha alif sukun ha. Jidiha. So it's not just going to be ha, is jidiha. Two movements on the ha alif sukun. Lam kasra li. Hamza kasra ya sukun i. Li'i. Lam fatha alif saghira la. Li'ila. Fa kasra fi. Li'ilafi. Next we have lam fatha la. Shin fatha sha. لشا دال كسرة يا سكون دي لشدي دال ضمتان دن لشديد. Next we have حا فتحة حا دال كسرة يا سكون دي حدي ثا ضم ثو حديث. Next we have لام فتحة لا فا كسرة يا سكون في لا في. Next we have لام كسرة لي حا فتحة حا لحا يا فتحة ألف سكون يا لحياة تا كسرة يا سكون تي لحياتي. Next we have دال كسرة دي. Oh, sorry, I messed up. Again, this it's not that I'm beyond mistakes. This is dal kasra and then ya sukun. So it's dal kasra ya sukun di noon kasrani dini. Next we have kha fatha alif saghira kha lam kasra li khali dal kasra ya sukun di خالدي نون فتحانا خالدين. Next we have فا كسرة يا سكون في ها فتحة ألف سكون ها فيها. Next we have ذال كسرة يا سكون ذي. It's a single syllable word. So moving on. عين كسرة عي با فتحة ألف صغيرة با عبا دال كسرة يا سكون دي عبادي. Next we have ميم فتحة ما واو فتحة ألف صغيرة وا موا زال كسرة يا سكون زي موازي نون ضم نو موازين ها ضم واو صغيرة هو موازينه. So واو فتحة is going to be extended 2 movements because of this alif صغيرة. zal kasra is going to be extended to 2 movements because of this ya sukun, and ha dhamma is going to be extended to 2 movements because of this waw saghira. So the word is mawazinuhu. And last but not least, we have sin fatha alif saghira sa fa kasra fi safi lam kasra ya sukun li سافلي نون فتحانا سافلين. So I have given you per page 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3, 4, 5, 4 times 4 is 20. So I've given you 60 examples, 20 for ya sukun, 20 for waw sukun, and 20 for alif sukun. This should give you plenty of practice. Now, do this exercise on your own. If you have any trouble, watch this video, rewind, and see how I'm pronouncing the letters. And do this exercise on your own. Don't skip this. This will help you. And basically, it's starting to get you introduced to a skill that you're going to need. Notice I messed up. Where did I mess up? I messed up on this word, dini. The reason I messed up is because I neglected to look ahead. And this is an important skill that you will need to learn when you are starting to spell the Quran out. And specifically, eventually when you don't need to spell things out, you can read it just by looking. You don't need to, break things into syllables. You will need to look ahead. What you're reading, what you're pronouncing should be so second nature to you that you can just look ahead and see what is coming up next. So in this case, because I was just focused on dal kasra di, I did not see that the next letter was a ya sukun, so I just pronounced it dal sukun, dal kasra di. So I just went dal kasra di, but that's not true. Dal kasra ya sukun di. I need to be at least looking one letter ahead. Dal kasra ya sukun di, noon kasrani, dini. So this will introduce you to pronouncing it like this, breaking it up, and with alif sukun, waw sukun, and ya sukun, and doing this exercise will start to get you in the process of or used to looking slightly ahead. The reason you need to look slightly ahead is because right now we are still in the beginning stages of spelling. When you get to a little slightly more advanced, there are times when you need to be looking 2, sometimes 3, or sometimes 4 letters ahead. Sometimes there is 2, there's an alif with a sifra on it, so that one can get cancelled out, and then there's a hamzatul wasl, that one gets cancelled out, and then there is a sukoon or a shadda that you need to combine with the previous letter. So that you have to be looking ahead in order to get your spelling correct. So do this exercise. If you have any trouble with any of the words, rewind the video and see how I'm doing it. Jazakallah khair for watching. I will see you guys next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.